Hey, what's up? Good morning, everybody. Wilmer here of Clear Choice Auto, and welcome to another video. So glad you were here today. So today we got here the all fresh 2025 Grenadier. So we'll be doing paint protection on this one. So it's gonna be full hood, full fenders, and all the small details on the front. It's gonna be protected with the paint protection film. So the headlight, this fog light, and all the small parts right there will be protecting those. So you always want it protected before you hit the road, right? So including the windshield, we'll be applying Clearplex on that to protect the windshield, and we're also protecting the roof and the A-pillars. And yeah, so right now, um, without further ado, let's get this thing protected. All right, so right now, I'm just gonna unroll my film on top of the hood. So I am using kit on this one. So we'll see how this thing works. We normally do bulk the hood, but at this time, I'm just gonna use a computer cutout. Okay, I'm just gonna wet this area here. So it's always important to float the film. You see how the film glides right now? So no premature tacks everywhere. So now I'm just gonna leave it like that and proceed with my stocking point number 1. Right, from here, I'm just gonna read out these letters. Right, so I'm just gonna make sure everything lining up. These letters here. So this will be my starting point. I'm gonna line up that properly. Yeah, that's a pretty impressive pattern. That's nice. I like that. It's very impressive. It's tight. That is good. It's good right there. Yeah. Just gonna spray my tack solution and then lock the area there. I'm gonna move on here to this corner. So I'm just gonna tack this corner here. Okay, perfect. Wrap to the corner. Alright, so everything is lined up. The letters are lined up perfectly. Okay. So from here, just gonna spray the bottom part. That's nice. That is good. Awesome. Wipe that down. Always make sure after you squeegee, always wipe the surface. You'll never know there's water left behind. So it's always a good idea to wipe the surface after you squeegee. Alright. Look at this. That's pretty nice actually. Let's get these letters out of here. That is impressive. Ooh. This one is so tiny, so the issue with this, there might be, this might build off when the pressure washer hit this area here. It's the only concern. Okay, now we get with the critical part. Now let's move on, finish the rest. Okay, it's gonna move on to the other side. Okay. Here, just gonna give it a little pull. Just gonna pull it over to the corner. Make sure it wraps the corner. Alright, everything is good so far. Alright. Okay, and the other side. Okay, so this top is just semi-lock. So the reason behind it, I don't want to shorten this area here when I pull the front corner. Okay, now I'm just gonna pull this corner here. Yeah, I forgot I have a cutout there. I deleted that earlier, so I don't want to deform that circle. So I'm just gonna temporarily lock this circle here, so you won't move. Okay, pull this. All right. You have this, all this stuff right there. Just gonna pull the other side. Okay, just gonna squeeze this. Right. Pull this. I should have deleted that. I forgot. Really forgot about that. Well, I guess we're good there. Yeah, we're good. Yeah, it's pretty good. So I'm just gonna pull this towards this corner here. I want this area here relaxed and flat. Right. Oh, silvering. I'm gonna pull that a little bit. Don't like that silvering to be there. So I'm gonna pull this way, pull that way, and this will be relaxed. All right. That is nice. Here. That is flat. Awesome. That's nice. And here, just gonna pull it towards this. Yeah. Look, now I have a nice round, perfectly. Okay. Perfect. Okay, that's awesome. Nice. Okay. And now I have this. Just gonna move it towards the middle. You can even pull that more, but I don't want that circle to be deformed. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pull it towards that way. Silver ring. I don't like that silver ring, so I'm just gonna pull it back. Still there. Alright, that is good. Awesome. Hey, all right, everyone. So thank you for being with me the whole process. So the hood is already protected. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna wait till it dry, because after that I'm just gonna wrap the excess inside. So everything's gonna be wrapped underneath. Right. So the only thing left on this one is the fender. The headlight, we already did the headlight on all the small part. We already did this. So tomorrow morning, first thing we're gonna do is gonna protect the windshield, the pillars, and the roof, and that's it. Everything will be completed. So I just gonna chop the video right here for now. Um, Thank you everyone for watching, and wherever you are watching right now, you may have a good day, and I hope to see you again on our next video. All right, bye bye for now, and may the Lord Almighty bless you and keeps you. Bye bye. Okay.